Hello, myself Sabyasachi Ghosh from Department of I.T.I, Government I.T.I. Today, I will discuss an important topic, that is safety and precaution. While working in workshop, the following safety precaution has to be observed, that is personal safety, workshop safety and tool and equipment safety. First, we look into the personal safety. For the safety of body, safety shoes, gloves, goggles, leg guard should be used. The second is, while starting the machine, keep yourself away from short circuit. The third is, welding should be done in airy and open space, or do not do welding in closed room. The fourth is, keep yourself surrounding neat and clean. The fifth is, at the time of welding, oil tanks and boxes should be cleaned from inflammable materials. The sixth is, for the safety of eye, goggles, head screen and helmet should be used. The seventh is, do not wear loose clothes. The eighth is, safety guards should be placed or fixed at proper position while working on a machine. The ninth is, for the safety of body, leather apron and sleeves should be there. The 10th is, tools should be cleaned and placed at their proper place. Now we look into the workshop safety. Workshop should have air exit passage so that there will be no bad effect of gases coming out during welding on the workers. The second is, the proper arrangement should be made to keep the tools in toolboard or almirah. The third is, the proper arrangement to keep the inflammable materials in workshop should be made. The fourth is, the wall of welding workshop should be painted black so the light of welding arc cannot be go out. The fifth is, first aid box and doctor facilities should be provided in the workshop. The sixth is, the fire extinguishers should be provided at proper place so that it could be used when required. The seventh is, workshop should be well ventilated and must have proper light and windows. The eighth is, the water and cleaning arrangement in the workshop should be provided. Ninth is, the proper arrangement of electrical fittings for machines should be made in the workshop. And the 10th is, work floor should be flat and can easily be cleaned so that there is no possibility of slipping. Now we look into the tools and equipment safety. The first of this category is, any piece of metal in welding should not have oil or grease on it. The second is, oxygen and acetylene gases should have transported from one place to another by trolley. Third is, worn out parts can be repaired by lubrication. Fourth is, engine heating should not be overloaded. The fifth is, to save the cylinder for falling, this should be clamped. The sixth is, the insulation of electrode holders should not be damaged. The seventh is, in case of sound of machine changes, help of proper skilled workers should be taken. The seventh is, the electrical machines should be properly hardened. The ninth is, always obey the instruction of skilled worker or technicians so that the equipment can be protected. The 10th is, the proper level of water should be maintained in the back pressure valve during gas welding. So this was the safety precautions which need to be obeyed during welding in a workshop. Hope you can understand the total concept of safety and precaution during welding in a workshop. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.